1962 Oldsmobile F85 Cutlass Convertible. Price, $17,500. Location, Washington. The 1962 Oldsmobile F85 Cutlass Convertible is one of those rare American classics that instantly transports you back to the golden age of cruising. Finished in its beautiful factory provincial white paint, this vintage convertible captures the elegance and optimism of early 1960s automotive design. With its bright chrome trim, sleek body lines, and white power-operated soft top, this Cutlass looks like it rolled straight out of a classic Hollywood movie scene. The biggest surprise hiding under the hood is its lightweight 215 cubic inch aluminum Rocket V8 engine. At a time when most American cars relied on heavy iron block engines, Oldsmobile experimented with advanced aluminum engineering to improve performance and efficiency. Equipped with a high-compression setup and a 4-barrel carburetor producing 185 horsepower, this innovative V8 gave the F85 Cutlass surprisingly strong performance for its era. Paired with an automatic transmission, the driving experience feels smooth, relaxed, and effortlessly stylish. The exterior details are absolutely stunning from every angle. Chrome bumpers sparkle beautifully against the provincial white finish, while the iconic Cutlass and F85 emblems remind everyone that this was the beginning of one of Oldsmobile's most legendary model names. Riding on thin white wall, Dayton Thoroughbred steel tires mounted on classic 13-inch steel wheels. The car delivers authentic vintage charm that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. Even the gray and olive vinyl boot cover adds an extra touch of elegance whenever the convertible top is folded down. The interior perfectly reflects the comfort and craftsmanship of early American luxury compacts. Bucket seats in the front, a spacious rear bench seat, a classic 2-spoke steering wheel, and a push-button radio create an atmosphere that feels nostalgic and inviting. Details like vent windows, manual windows, and chrome interior accents remind you of a time when cars were designed with personality and character. Every drive in this convertible becomes a rolling time capsule of 1960s Americana. The historical importance of this car makes it even more special. The F85 Cutlass helped introduce the Cutlass name to the world, a nameplate that would later dominate the American muscle car era and become one of Oldsmobile's most successful models ever produced. Collectors today highly value these early Cutlass convertibles because they represent the birth of an automotive icon and a unique chapter in General Motors engineering history. The 1962 Oldsmobile F85 Cutlass convertible is more than just a vintage car.